Hi guys, I need to let you all know that I will be offline completely from Monday the 13th. Sunday will be my last day online. So I'll be offline from Sunday the 12th will be my last day until I don't know when. At least the 15th, possibly the 18th before I get back online. So I will be here in spirit. I will be on. If I have to make recordings and go somewhere and download them, I'll do that. I mean, upload them, I'll do that. But I'll be here in spirit, and I'll be back as soon as possible. It's just the move to Texas has got us. We'll have to lose our internet for some intermediate time, and then until we get to a hotel room with some uh, Wi-Fi, we'll be stuck without anything. So I will be back as soon as possible. Remember, you're all divine and sacred beings of light and love. I love each and every one of you so very much, and I will be back as soon as possible. Until Sunday, I will be here, hopefully nightly on lives. I don't know how early I will be able to make it, but I will try to be on live every night until such time as I have to not be. So, love you all dearly, and I'll see you all soon. And please have a great afternoon, evening, or morning, wherever you are. Love you. Bye.